So I figured I would try to get a little bit of footage here with a little bit of leaves that are out. The leaves have been a big disappointment. Hey, what are you gonna do? Another fun day. But then I have to get my kids and get home. I'm actually not home right now. And if you hear that mower in the background, I'm sorry, it's a little loud right now. But let's see what kind of footage I can get and see if I can find any leaves that are remotely a little bit colorful.
As a young girl, the fields were mine. We played hide and seek for hours, raised our shadows among the pines. So offshore, played for.
So we did make it home. Yeah, Cole right there with their sunglasses. Yeah. I just don't know what happened in fall. Look at this tree right here. It's completely green. Almost November. It's sad. I wanted some pictures. No, Emily wants to show you her ghosty friend that we have for Halloween. So we're gonna walk over here and show you Ghosty. Who is that? Is that your Ghosty?
Yeah.
And there's her little Ghosty. Say happy Halloween. The rest of the day, I'm going to spend it with my kids. After they go to bed, I'm going to do some editing. You'll be seeing a new video here shortly. Like it, subscribe it, smash that bell. Leave a comment down below. Tell me what you like, what you don't like, what you want to see. And I'll see you tomorrow.
Free, without a care in the world. I was one rich little girl. Daydreamer, kidnap me. Take me back, all the way back